How's it going? Nerd Fauna? You can't just call me a nerd just because I'm wearing glasses. This monstrosity. At least I built a cute tiny house here. Although the inside is nothing special. Whoa. I feel like my computer is exploding. Why are all of my electronics exploding? Maybe nature is not meant to have electronics. You ever think about that? I will upgrade my PC. I'm not sure if I can, like, build one myself. I, like, kind of want to, but I'm not sure if I can. Especially after the fate that has befallen my laptop. Which was probably my fault, somehow. So I don't know.